good enough. As most people said, S.L.A. report was an eye-opener, and it will definitely help to recognize what are the things to improve. I think this session is not only for the organizational personality movement, it will definitely help us in the personal life also. And the sessions was very interesting, and I think I got many friends here. And about the leadership thing, it gives many very accurate information regarding how a leadership should be. And I
Okay, so since coming to the MSLS program, I have always idolized somebody like Madana Kumar, and the presence of him in the room, and I was always confused why he's called the Chief People Officer before, but now he's not anymore. But yeah, that was a confusion point for me, and say like when working with my peers, I was always confused how to actually not sound arrogant and not sound pushy enough, but still get the task done. So that was a confusion for me, which was cleared up, and how UST manages to bring in humility and humanity and integrity to the day-to-day processes of their company operation. That was very interesting, and this will be really useful further ahead. So,
Yeah.